Hey, what's up everybody? Andrew Wall here, helping you become more successful through online video, and I've got the biggest announcement I've made in 7 years since I announced that I was quitting my full-time job to go found TGN, which ended up becoming the largest gaming network on YouTube. I'm now going out on my own, one-man operation to help creators, to help streamers, to help entrepreneurs, small business owners be successful online through Patreon. And basically what I'm doing is I'm providing an opportunity for you guys to participate with me in live streams, to see my patron-only feed, and to hop on Discord with me to get access to me to help you grow your channel and your online business through my insider tier, which is $25 per month. But once I hit the $1,000 goal, I will be doing a patron podcast with all of my insiders that will allow them to be on a weekly basis coached by me in a mini coaching session where I'm going to walk you through the different challenges that you may be having and give you customized advice, and then I'm going to release that as a podcast. Some people want me just to focus just on them and to give them concentrated advice that they can take and just run with it for a couple months. I created a tier for that because you guys were requesting it, and that's called the Advisor tier. It gets everything that insiders get, but it's a channel review video that is 30 minutes long where I do market research on your channel, on your niche, and on your competitors. I will give you advanced growth strategies and tips to help you grow your channel just for you. This isn't a generic copy-paste. And then I'll give you creative insights and creative inspiration on directions you could go with your channel and with your business, packed into a 30-minute video direct to you. And it's paid for on a monthly basis here through Patreon, but if you decide to switch to one of the other tiers, you can always do that, right? So let's say you want the 30-minute video up front with Advisor, you could always pay for that and then just go to Insider, and then just keep up with me on a regular basis so we can interact through live streams and through posts and podcasts, etc. So I'm looking to give people flexibility because I know you don't have unlimited money, or your needs might change on a month-to-month basis, and that's what the Advisor tier is there for. Some people have requested more than just the one-way communication, though, of the Advisor tier. They want to have a discussion because their needs are more complex. Maybe they're thinking about expanding their business and they need to work through all of the details of that. Maybe they're thinking about pivoting their channel or opening a new channel, and they're wondering the pros and cons of making something like that happen. Maybe they're trying to grow a much larger business, but they've never brought on staff before. They've never had to work through the financial elements of that. And what are all the implications for their current state of their business? Are they putting it at risk? Complicated things like this require things like coaching. And because I've built businesses myself and built out so many channels myself, this tier is designed for folks in those types of situations where it's more complex and they need to have a conversation. It's $250 per month, and it is a 90-minute on-camera session. I give you the recording afterwards, and I create custom solutions just for you based on your situation. And I'm really excited about going into these coaching sessions because those more complex situations keep things really interesting for me. It's a new challenge every day, right, for me to help you sort through. And after the coaching sessions that are once per month on this tier, you get 4 follow-up emails where you can just ask me follow-up questions throughout the month until our next coaching session. I'm looking forward to doing this one, and of course everybody who is doing coaching with me will also get all those insider tier benefits like the live stream and the Discord and all of the posts to stay engaged in between sessions as well. I know that for some people, though, once per month is not enough, especially if you're under a crunch and you're really trying to make something big happen. Maybe you've got a much larger media business, maybe you've got much larger YouTube channels, and the opportunity for you is massive, and you need help sorting through those opportunities and those challenges. I created the mentor tier for that because that requires weekly one-on-one sessions to help you realize your full potential. And through these one-on-one sessions, because we'd be meeting so frequently, I would gain a really deep understanding of your vision, help you tackle things like day-to-day challenges. Should you be opening additional avenues? Should you be considering new things like IGTV? Should you be bringing on board editors? How do all those models work? How do you work through the legal, all of those things? The mentor tier is designed specifically for folks in those kinds of situations that need more hands-on to sort through the complexities of what they're doing, and is sort of a larger task, if you will, to work through those, and it's a big opportunity for those individuals. At $1,000 per month, it's basically the exact same price as the coach tier, except instead of monthly, you get it weekly. So you basically get 4 sessions per month essentially for 4 times the price, and I feel that that is a fair price based on the market research that I've done and the amount of effort and love and everything that I would put into helping you be successful here. This one is so exciting for me to think about. Folks that would come to me with this, who are ready to invest this kind of money into their business, I just can't wait to pour myself into everything that you're trying to accomplish. And of course with this, I would have to give that person unlimited follow-up emails because they're having me basically help them do day-to-day stuff and helping them work through the nitty-gritty of what it takes to take their online business to the next level. And of course, every single session's recorded and sent to them. I have a plan. This is going places. And if you want to be a part of it, become my patron today.